Don't forget to subscribe!
Hello Philippines and hello world! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Sa di pa nakapag-subscribe, please hit the subscribe button below and the bell button para ma-updated ka sa mga upcoming videos ni CJAY'S Home. On this vlog, I wanna share you guys the unboxing of my first order in Shopee. And I'm so happy and blessed, grateful for this because someone gives me as a present for this Christmas and for being a monetized channel. Grabe, sobrang umaapaw ang puso ko sa kaligayahan kasi may nagbibigay sa akin ng ganito unexpectedly. Yung biglang may mag-message sa'yo, tatanungin ka kung may condenser mic ka na ba kasi kailangan sa YouTube channel mo, yung ganon, tapos bibigyan ka ng cash para pambili sa mic condenser na to. At hindi lang mic condenser ang nasa loob nito. This is from Shopee. Ngayon pa lang talaga siya dumating. So, I'm so excited to open this one. Kasi isa ito sa pinapangarap kong bagay na gusto ko talaga. Okay, so what are we waiting for? We will look this one. We're going to open this. Okay guys, so ito na siya. Grabe, sobrang excited ko na. Ito na, we're going to open it. We're going to unbox my first order in Shopee. So ito yung kauna-unahang bagay na in-order ko sa Shopee. So I'm so excited. Talagang Pasko na. Kasi may nagbibigay na sa akin ng regalo. Maagang pamasko. So, thank you so much sa taong nagbibigay nito sa akin. My friend, my classmate since elementary until high school. The godmother of my eldest. Shout out to Maris Climaco or Maris Scott. She's working in Florida, USA. She's working currently in Florida, USA. Mads, hello Mads, Maris Climaco. Thank you so much for this present. Maraming salamat talaga. So ito na, dumating na talaga siya, Mads. Okay. So here guys, look up. We will watch this. We will open. Okay, so one of my order is this one. So it's JBL stereo headphones from Shopee. Look at, oh my, it's so pretty. This is my favorite color. Okay, one of my order. And then we have, madaliin na natin kasi excited na akong gamitin ko. And then we have a tripod. I order a tripod too. And guess what? These 3 items is only 1,403 pesos. A tripod. Another item that I ordered from Shopee, tripod. Okay, so we're going to attach this one here. The CP holder, the cell phone holder, we're going to attach here so that we can use it. Just hold it tightly to tighten up. Okay, so here it is. Pasensya na sa mga manok. Ganyan talaga yung mga manok dito. Okay. So, we're going to use this one. Oh, by the way, you can adjust it by loosen up this screw. And then, charan! Okay, this is adjustable. Okay, if you don't want to become longer, press it down and tightened. Okay? And this one also, this part also is adjustable. Okay. You loosen this part loosen this part to move the camera holder. Okay, then after that, if you have already the exact position of your cell phone, then you can tighten it. Okay, so here we're going to use our phone. Use your phone much better if you're going to remove the case. Okay, like this, so that it can be easily put it here. So guys, here the most awaited one is my microphone. Thank you, thank you. Ang babait ni mo, Mads Maris Climaco. Thank you, Mads. Thank you so much. Dagang salamat, Mads. Excited na ko mukantaan ni. I wanna sing, I wanna use that one. I'm so excited to use it. Okay, nagsinagol na nitong sinultian, Tagalog, English, Bisaya. Okay, so maon ni guys ang iyahang controller, live sound card, this one, and of course the stand of our condenser mic. Ito siya, ang stand niya. So ito, okay, so i-install natin siya para ma-try natin kung maganda ba talaga siya. Okay, so watch my videos till the end at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Please like, share, press mo yung notify bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos ko. Okay, so this is what we're going to do first. This is the clamp of the condenser mic. Can't you see that? You're going to put it here, and then the screw, tighten the screw properly so that it will not move. Okay, so done, it's tightened already. The next one is we're going to put the condenser mic stand. This screw we're going to loosen up. And then put the screw. Tighten it properly. Okay, this is our microphone. Okay, this one is our microphone. We have microphone cover. If you don't want to use it, you can remove it also. So we're going to put it here. You're going to put it here, this part. Okay, like that. Okay, next one, we are going to put the filter. This mic filter can add the voice quality kasi mas lalong gaganda ang boses natin. You can put the microphone filter at the upper portion or the lower portion of the microphone stand, but for me, I prefer to put it at the uppers. Just tightened properly. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. So, tighten na siya guys para ma-level up sa microphone. Ayan na siya. Ayan. Okay, so you can adjust whatever position you want. Okay, so we are done setting up the microphone. So, now we're going to set up the V8 card. I-connect natin ang mga wires. Okay guys, so here is the dynamic mic. So this is for karaoke. And then this one is for condenser mic. So we're going to put it this one, condenser mic. Make sure ha na hindi magkamali. And we have the USB wire. So ito yung pang charging niya. So dito mo siya ilagay sa charging. Okay, sa charging. Yan, make sure nakakonect siya na maayos. Tapos itong isa na nakakonect sa laptop, kasi yung laptop ko ang accompany instrument ko. So, dito ko siya ilalagay. Here, dito ilalagay. May nakalagay namang mga pangalan, so hindi kayo mahihirapan. And we have the last one. Ito din, kagaya ng, pareho lang sila ng wire ng accompany instrument. So, dito mo siya ilagay sa live 1. Yung live 1, ito yung gagamitin mo, cellphone, para mag-live ka or mag-record. So, that's it. At, ilagay mo yung headset. Yan. Okay. Tapos, make sure naka-off lahat. Naka-off muna tong V8 card bago nyo isaksak lahat para maiwasan natin ang pagkasira. And the good thing is that you can charge this V8 card in the laptop while you are using it. Okay, so all set. Installing is done. So ito na siya, guys. Ito ang lumalabas na boses niya. So may ano siya dito, yung echo control. Pwede natin hinaan kung ayaw natin na masyadong may echo. Ito, ganito siya. Pero kung gusto mo na maganda ang kalabasan, so i-ano lang natin, i-maximize. Tapos yung volume niya, meron din dito katabi sa echo button. Ayan. Or tuner. Ano ba? Okay. So, ito. Hello. Ito. Yan. Hello mic test. Okay. Ito siya. So, bongga talaga. Perfect for vlogging. Perfect sa mga katulad nating vloggers. Char. Okay. So, let's try kung maganda ba talaga ang boses niya pagkakanta tayo, ha? Pagtiyagaan nyo na lang kung boses ko, ha. Okay, short lang. Baka magka-CPR tayo. Para to sa mga taong, ewan ko, sawi ba sa pag-ibig? Kay tamis ng ating pagmamahal. Perfect. Tapos may mga ano pa siya, may mga pa-effect pa gaya nito. Ay, mali na pindot ko. Oh, yan.
I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
Okay, ganyan. ganyan. So, yan ang mga effect. Bongga talaga siya. So, I'm so grateful. I'm so blessed. My heart is overwhelming of happiness. Kasi marami akong natanggap na present this year. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button below para updated ka sa upcoming videos ni CJAY'S Home. Bye! Keep safe. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year, everyone.